that work with children and animals. Thanks, Rosie. In this video we're going to look at this, the ENGWE ENGWE e-bike, and this model is oh my god, Jesus! Well, this is certainly testing it off-road, isn't it? The EP-2 Pro, and it's a folding e-bike with fat tyres, 20-inch wheels, 4 inches across, and it folds in the middle here and the bars fall down. But again, they've sent me an e-bike that's not legal on the UK road, so we'll have to test this on some private land near here that we've got permission to use on. So this has got a 750 watt motor on the back, and it has a hand throttle as well, which makes it illegal to use on the UK roads. But I know people from around the world watch these videos, so the lows are different in each country, so check out your own lows. Looks pretty funky though, doesn't it? It's not over heavy. I'll put the weight of it down here now. Chunky tyres, as I say, 20 inch, 20 psi you have in those as well. Folding pedals. It's got the Shimano gears on that most of these type of e-bikes have on now, and these have been really good. And likewise with this one, there was no adjustment, it just worked straight out the box. We'll have a look at folding it in a minute, but there's the clip to fold it, and it also folds down here as well, and the handlebars are extendable here, and obviously the seat's extendable, and another super comfy seat. Substantial rack, it's got a backlight which is also a brake light, and front suspension with just cable disc brakes. And there's the front light and front reflector. This one also comes with a key, and you need this key to actually switch the bike on. So underneath here there's a little lock, and the key fits in there. Turn it, it locks the key in so it won't fall out, and then you press the button under here and it turns on the display. There's lots of adjustment on the seat on this. It's actually got a nylon cover. When I was putting it together, I had to take this nylon cover out to get it to fit. It's a nice snug fit. I think you could be about 14 foot tall to ride this. And of course, the handlebars adjust as well in a similar sort of way. So if you're looking to join the circus and you want to ride a funny bike, and you're on stilts or something, I think they might have oversized those slightly. To fold the bike, take it off the stand, there's a clip on here which undoes that, which enables you to fold the bike in half, fold the pedals down, and you can twist the bike around like so. And then it stands on this bracket at the bottom, and then there's another clip on here, and they just fold down. But it is still quite big. Because it's got the big tyres, the big chunky tyres, so it's still going to take up quite some room. Obviously the seat will drop down as well, but I'll put some measurements in and we'll see how big it is. So height, the highest point is probably this. So with everything folded down, I'd say it's about 32 inches you probably need. Hey Rose. Lengthwise, it's about the same actually, 34 inches, and width with the bars across is say 24 inches. So you turn the key around, there's a pin in the side, and that enables you to take the battery out, so you can take the battery in house to charge it, or as I say, you can charge it in the frame as well. But that locks into place with that key, and obviously if you take the battery out, it's easier to transport it because it reduces the weight level. Put it back together, relatively straightforward. There we go, stand on the side there. They obviously do them in different colours as well. Comes with a bell, simple buttons up and down to the different settings for speed. Struggling to see this with the sun. There's your battery indicator, speed and distance, and there's lots of different other functions. You can switch your lights on and off by the side of this as well. And it goes up to 5 settings, and this will be extremely powerful because as I say, it's a 750 watt motor. That's how you charge it, with the battery inside, and it takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge. It was easy to put together, took about 15 minutes, and as usual with these, the most time was getting it out of the box and all the packaging off. But as you can see, it's come without any scratches or any marks, and I only use the tools that come with it to put it together. Oh, and a pair of scissors to undo the packaging, so you get everything you need to put it together. Also in this video, we're going to announce the 3 winners of the giveaway for these Klarus lanterns. And this is the one Jo stole off me. I still haven't used it, but she uses it all the time. There's a video up here if you want to check these out. Really good, quite quirky. And we're filming this again before the closing date, so we'll put some slides in now with the 3 winners. And if you're one of the winners, if you email us at onemanandhiswhippet@gmail.com, we'll get your delivery details and we'll get these in the post to you. We won't communicate with you any other way, and we won't ask for any postage costs. So if anybody tries to do that, it's just a scam. And we'll send you a comment through the original video that we reviewed these on, so you know it's us. And of course, you'll see your slide as well. Thanks for everybody who entered, and there's a lot more giveaways coming soon. Oh my God, Jesus! Ah! So the throttle on this is super powerful. Look at that! It says you can get up to about 50 miles on this, but I suppose that depends on the weight of the passenger. And usually when they do the test, it's the lightest person possible and on eco mode. But it's got a decent sized battery in, but a big motor, and if you're using the throttle all the time and not pedal assist, that'll vary it as well. So it's hard to say how far it'll go, but you'd easily do, probably using everything, you'd probably still get 15-20 miles out of it. Well, this is certainly testing it off-road, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Many more videos to come, and quite a few more giveaways coming as well. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.